Tell me something. When was the last time you had a biscuit that made you feel good, not guilty? Something that's rich, chocolatey, yet packed with wholesome ingredients? If you love the idea of a healthy treat that feels indulgent, you are going to love this one. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am baking Ragi cocoa biscuit. So let's get started. In a large bowl, I am adding ragi flour, whole wheat flour, oats flour, almond flour and some cocoa powder. Mix everything well using a whisk so all the flours combine nicely. Make sure there are no lumps. It should look light and uniform. You can even sieve the flours if you want a smoother texture. Totally optional, but it helps. Now in another bowl, I am taking about half a cup of soft room temperature butter. I am using salted butter, so I am not adding any extra salt to this recipe. If you are using unsalted butter, add just a tiny pinch of salt. It balances the flavor beautifully. To that, I am adding sugar, and if you want a healthier version, go for coconut sugar or date sugar. Using a whisk or hand blender, cream them together until it turns light and fluffy. Then add a splash of vanilla extract and mix again. This step takes a little time, so be patient. You will notice the texture turning pale and airy, and that's exactly what we want. Always scrape the sides of the bowl and bring the butter together. Now it's time to combine the dry ingredients into the butter mixture. Add them in batches so it mixes evenly. Once everything starts coming together, add cold milk, about 3 tablespoons to begin with, and 1 more tablespoon later if needed, just enough to form a smooth soft dough. The dough should not feel sticky, just soft and pliable, the kind that holds its shape easily. Now refrigerate this cookie dough for about half an hour. This helps the butter firm up a bit and gives you a better texture after baking. After chilling, scoop out a tablespoon of dough for each biscuit and shape them as you like. Place them on a parchment-lined baking tray. To flatten them evenly, I like to use the back of a steel measuring spoon. It helps create that perfect even biscuit shape. The thinner they are, the crispier they will bake. Keep them slightly thick if you like a soft chewy bite. Both versions taste amazing. If you like to add, you can also add chopped nuts on the top of the cookie. Also, don't forget to leave a little space between each biscuit. They spread a bit while baking. You will find all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. These biscuits are perfect for kids and toddlers. A great way to sneak in nutrition while keeping snack time delicious. Now, bake these in a preheated oven at 340 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for about 12 to 14 minutes. Once baked, let them cool completely before removing from the tray. They firm up as they cool, so don't worry if they feel a little soft initially. And there you go, the Ragi cocoa biscuits are ready. Perfectly baked, slightly crisp, and filled with the goodness of ragi, oats and almonds. They are not just healthy, they are comforting, homely, and made with love. Break one open and listen to that crunch. That's the sound of pure guilt-free indulgence. Serve them with milk or pack them in lunch boxes. If you enjoyed watching this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more healthy bakes and easy homemade treats. Thanks for watching and happy baking!